Hey, what's
Scorpio.
up mga kamitis? This is my first video para sa Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Okay? Ngayong 2026, kauna-unahan kong video ito. At hindi ko malaman bakit hindi mag-shuffle. But, woof, Ace of Spade. Take what's going to resonate and leave the rest. Or you can watch the other videos I have. Ace of Spade. And please subscribe, follow, share, like, heart, whatever you have on your screen. Ace of Spade is a sign of Scorpios visibly showing strength. Yung pagpapakita ng kanilang katatagan, paninindigan, at mas pipiliing mapag-isa kesa sa makisama ng hindi naman siya komportable. So, yan ang tema ng taong ito, specifically, April 2026. So, April will be the beginning of you being very clear with your intentions. Intentions na walang keme, hindi ka aalinlangan magpakita ng coldness mo, ng kasupladahan, kaangasan, katapangan, katatagan mo. You will be like a sword na I don't really care. I don't really mean to be very honest or blunt or quiet na lang ako. Okay? Your silence is becoming very, very powerful. And this year, especially April, Nine of Spade, lalo na kung ang gulo-gulo ng paligid, lalo na kung pinatatagalan ng panahon dahil sa dami ng pinagdaanan mo, or the other side of the coin is, you're someone na independent dahil hindi lumaki sa magulang, walang parents, walang family, or feeling outcasted parate. But it was all meant to happen for you to be who you are right now, especially sa buong ito. Dahil napaka-importante na ikaw ay maging matatag at maging mas independent sa panahon ito, lalo at maraming pwedeng mangyari. There are unexpected things na pwedeng mangyari sa'yo, pero kung sa tingin ng iba, spontaneous, surprising, pero sa'yo hindi na eh. You know, kung kasiguraduhan ng buhay para maging able makasurvive sa araw-araw, no? I can see here that paninindigan mong gawin yung paraan na kahit anuman, hindi para makapalakit ng ibang tao, kundi para siguraduhin secured, safe, at makakasurvive ka sa buhay na to. Especially kung tinutukoy nito tungkol sa finances or trabaho mo. Pwedeng manotice ka ng karamihan na pag-isa, silent, or wala masyadong reaction, hindi magaling makisama. But naturally, you have a good heart. If you're a male energy, you will be appreciated by a woman or some peers or relationship na babae. Kung ikaw naman ay babaeng Scorpio, sigurado naman daw na you will be happier being on your own, being alone, being independent, being silent to protect yourself from other people's harm. And lalo kung ang dami-daming sinasabi, and then you absolutely know, sobrang klaro sa'yo na sila may kanya-kanyang kwento, sila may nagsisiraan, sila magulo, so ayaw mo na makasawsaw doon. Nakisama ka na at sapat na yun para sa'yo. And you'd rather keep your mouth shut. Especially kung parang paulit-ulit yung cycle of events, kung magulo na, very chaotic, ang toxic ng paligid ng mga Scorpio natin. There are some Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising that are very very diverse. Yung parang you can play along with the words or your conversations. Yung parang nakikisakay ka, nagsasalita ka, parang part ka nung mga kwentuhang yun, pero hindi ka pabor sa lahat. You're just playing along with it. And because of that, is it going to be good for you this month? You'd rather stay home, sleep, rest, or pamper yourself kapag nagkakaroon ng chance na you have enough resources to, to go to spa, massage, or salon, or um, stay at home in your bed, sleeping. Mukhang yun ang magiging priority mo because you're already strong. Very, very strong ka na eh. Matibay ka na eh. Wala nang kaduda-duda dyan eh. Mas marami ka na pinagdaanan before. Especially, mas hina-heighten up yung spirituality mo ngayon. Mas maniniwala ka ngayon na ang katahimikan mo nagdadala ng divine intervention. And because of that, my oracle card is telling me that you, Scorpio, you will welcome new friends or new family members wholeheartedly. You'll be open to any possibilities of going to a different place, going to a different career, um, a new path. It will not always be a healthy choice. So, kailangan mo pag-isipan bago ka magpabara-bara ng desisyon. Take your time to think about things before making a big decision. Para hindi ka lang magsisibat ng huli. At dahil dyan, ito ang sticks para sa iyo, mahal kong Scorpio. Ooh, as it is, the fire within you, Scorpio, lumalagablab na apoy ka, kumukulong tubig ang mga Scorpio ko. Lalo na kapag excited ka mag-take ng rest. Taking a chance, gamble, play the lottery or whatever. At the end of the day, you're always gonna make yourself very, very proud. Mukhang yung advice ko sa'yo na take your time to think about something. Kahit yata alam mo na pwede kang mag-fail or mapahamak, you're ready for it. Go!